अगेन नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ स्टार्टेड। ये आपका गीतांजलि से लिया गया है, सॉन्ग नंबर 45 से। क्लियर स्ट्रीम ऑफ रीजन सिंबलाइज rational thinking and logic, and the central theme of the poem is spiritual nationalism and intellectual freedom. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high, suggests intellectual courage and dignity. And in the line where knowledge is free, and the poet advocates education without cost and restriction. And narrow domestic walls refers to the social divisions like caste, creed, and religion, gender, etc. Again, next paragraph है, read the following poem carefully. And this poem is an allegory, and poet shows and expressed anger. In the poem, the poem's style relies on the allegory by portraying wrath as a tree bearing poisoned fruit. And what is the primary theme of the above poem? How unexpressed anger festers into destruction. In the poem, the theme of deceit is shown through the speaker's soft, deceitful voice masking hate. Choose the correct meaning of outstretched as given in the poem. Extended. And the content of the poem is based on the personal experience of the poet. Next poem answer is, how is the figure of death portrayed in the first stanza as a courteous gentleman? What is the tone of the poem? Serene and accepting. And what is the carriage symbolized in the poem? The transition from life to afterlife. And what is the significance of the phrase, put away my labor and my leisure? The speaker has abandoned all earthly concerns. Because I could not stop for death, he kindly stopped for me. Personification. Figure of speech is which literary device is used? Personification. From among the sentences given, choose one of the with future perfect tense. Future perfect tense का एग्जाम्पल है, I shall have written my exercise by then. और यहाँ पर देखेंगे वी हैव लिव्ड हेयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, सेलेक्ट वन विच करेक्टली मेंशन्ड द सेंस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। इसमें कौन सा टेंस है? देखिए हैव लगा है, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म है। और सिंस फॉर तो हमने पढ़ा है कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में सिंस फॉर लगता है। इसमें बीन, अगर ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस होता तो इसमें आईएनजी फॉर्म यूज होता और बीन का यूज होता, तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं है, तो ये है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का एग्जाम्पल है। इफ़ शी वॉज गोइंग, शी would drop you at the school, and I could have bought that car if I had had more money at that time, and if I hadn't overslept I would have been on the time.